Reagecon is an innovative, growth-orientated, dynamic, family-owned business. We are based on the Shannon Airport campus in the west of Ireland. We are the largest producer worldwide of chemical standards, physical standards and reagents, all of which are developed, manufactured and distributed from our superbly equipped modern 8,000 square metre facility. The products, of which there are over 10,000, are sold on a global scale in 170 countries on all 5 continents, either from Shannon through our ever-growing network of channel partners, or from our office in Shanghai, China. The channel partners include distributors and private label customers, including a large number of worldwide global customers. Our products are sold through our sales team, our VMI channels directly to our customers in Ireland. Sales through our well-developed e-commerce facilities are growing very rapidly and will play an increasing role in the scaling of Reagecon. The scope of Reagecon's products is extensive. In total, we have in excess of 50 families on offer that covers the whole spectrum that includes electrochemistry, physical standards, organics, cations and anions, and many more. The portfolio includes the widest range of buffers and care and maintenance solutions available in the marketplace for pH measurement. We also offer standards and ionic strength adjusters for ion selective electrodes, control solutions for redox measurement, and the most comprehensive range of titrants and colour indicators available worldwide. Our scientists were the first in the world to produce low-level conductivity standards, and we are still the only company to offer these standards in an aqueous matrix. Our inorganic standards range includes an immense offering for cation and anion analysis using techniques that include, but are not limited to, ICP-MS, atomic absorption, flame photometry, ion chromatography, ion selective electrodes, and spectrophotometric measurement. The range of physical standards is broad and deep. The refractive index range includes sugar-based Brix standards and oil-based refractive index standards. Density standards, depending on the family you select, may be used on vibrational densitometers or Bingham picnometers, and range from just under 0.7 grams per milliliter right up to over 3 grams per milliliter with a 4 decimal place accuracy. Osmolality standards are presented in 5 milliliter glass ampoules and cryoscope standards in 250 milliliter plastic bottles respectively. Reagecon produces an extensive range of organic standards for use on both GCMS and HPLC-MS. These products include VOCs, PAHs, phenols and pesticides. We offer PCBs, PBBs, PBDEs, azodyes, nitrosamines, phthalates and many other groups of organic standards. The production of colour standards, covering a wide array of colour conventions, is a core competence of our company, and this competence extends right into spectrophotometry standards, both in cuvette and ready-to-use format. The measurement of total organic carbon is mandatory in many regulated and non-regulated industries, and we produce one of the widest offerings of standards for this technique. Our products are produced under clean room conditions, go down to very low levels, and are available for laboratory and online instruments from a wide range of manufacturers. Our ever-growing industry portfolio includes products specific for petrochemistry, wine production, environmental monitoring and food. Typical examples of such products include viscosity standards and reagents and standards for total acid and total base number. Our portfolio extends into a large suite of products, reagents and standards for online analysis and DNA synthesis and sequencing. The development, design, manufacture, testing and packaging of customised products is a growing part of Reagecon's business model, and again, we see this as a very important growth area, an area of competitive advantage and a critical part of our scaling process. Reagecon's standards and certified reference materials have a wide range of applications and uses. Whether your testing requirement is in the laboratory, on a process line, in an effluent stream or in the field, we have a product family that suits your requirements. That requirement may be for tuning standards, calibration standards or internal standards. It may be for a surrogate standard, a verification standard, an interference standard, or a spiking standard. Or it could be for a compliance or control standard. The products may also be used for method validation, instrument qualification, or as a measure of competence or level of training of your analysts. The products can also be used in proficiency testing schemes. Reagecon has an extensive contract filling and OEM manufacturing capability and a long track record of producing such products. Our tank farm contains 5 2,000 litre manufacturing vessels. Each vessel employs a proprietary static Venturi mixing head and circulation pump which ensures the complete and thorough mixes of liquids in liquids and solids in liquids, avoiding excess churning or foaming. All formulations are menu driven using PLC and SCADA control systems. The operator interfaces with the software through a HMI screen and at any time can see the status of all batches and process steps. When the product is manufactured, a sample is removed and taken to our quality control laboratory. Here, a team of scientists perform several hundred analytical tests a week using techniques as diverse as gravimetric analysis, wet chemistry, electrochemistry, chromatography, FTIR and spectroscopy. Reagecon holds a wide range of ISO 17025 accreditations, and the list of accredited methods is growing very rapidly. Once the product is passed in QC, it can then be pumped into a bulk vessel for storage or further processing, or it can be fed directly into our 4-head automatic liquid filler. This device can fill at a rate in excess of 800 bottles per hour, depending on bottle size. The bottles are then capped, labelled and boxed automatically. Reagecon specialises in producing products that require customised labels that vary in shape, size or language content. Our competence extends right down to batch sizes of 1 litre or less. Smaller batches may be produced in our Class 10,000 cleanroom, and these products are then ampuled or bottled. Batches ranging in size from 1 litre to 2,000 litres may be produced in one of our several other manufacturing laboratories. All of the products, irrespective of batch size, are subject to the same rigorous quality control, certification and accreditation where appropriate. When our customers require additional or unusual packaging options, we have special computer-aided prototype manufacturing equipment that can turn around cardboard or cartonboard packaging in one day. Reagecon has expended very considerable resources on research and development over the last 3 years, and this pattern will continue in order to deliver our 2025 vision. Our speed of product development will now be accelerated with particular focus on food, petrochemistry, environmental standards and drugs of abuse. More specifically, products for cannabinoids, opioids, vitamins and antibiotics are well advanced in their development, and our R&D facility has state-of-the-art liquid and gas chromatography, ICP-MS, ICP-OES, FTIR and other equipment for producing trial and prototype batches. When ready to put into full production, these will be passed on to our manufacturing and testing teams. Reagecon also runs a thriving distribution business in the Irish market from our Shannon warehouse. Most of the products we distribute are either from our own manufactured range or are sourced from the Laboratory Logistics Group in Germany, of which we are part owners. Our customers range from small laboratories right through to all the blue chip pharma, medical device and food and beverage companies manufacturing in Ireland. In many instances, we provide our clients with a full or partial vendor-managed inventory service. Reagecon as a company has always strived to be innovative. In particular, we have focused on streamlining our operations to be lean, efficient and effective. Specific examples which have huge visibility include our pneumatic chute system, which moves samples from production to QC, or moves samples from our new labelling laboratory to the various production cells. The production of labels is a very critical operation in any chemical manufacturing plant, but even more so in Reagecon because of the very large number of products that we produce. As well as fixed information that identifies the product, labels must contain dynamic information such as lot number, expiry, and a whole host of hazard symbols, risk and safety phrases, and handling and storage information. In our case, it may contain product-related specifications, technical data, as well as temperature coefficient of variation, and much more. Reagecon operates a suite of software applications platforms, the extent of which could be considered unique for an SME of its size. All platforms are completely integrated with SAP Business One, meaning all material changes relating to products, processes, customers, legislation and specifications are managed and maintained on one system. The system integration includes Sana e-commerce, Salesforce, Pardot, Einstein and other new business development platforms that are currently being implemented. It is also integrated with the LIMS document management system. Reagecon incorporated both Pardot and Einstein into their client management and delivery process. These were linked to Salesforce in 2019 and 2020. To support each channel to market, the company's marketing includes traditional marketing channels such as direct sales, printed catalogues, advertising, trade show attendance, as well as digital routes to market, for example, e-commerce platform, website, email, and marketing automation tools and social media. A significant part of the e-commerce development includes a detailed search engine optimization program, which now results in Reagecon's products attaining a very prominent presentation during Google searches and allows a very large growth trajectory of visits links to our website. Since the inception of the company, the provision of technical knowledge, training and education is a key enabler of Reagecon's success. Recently, as part of the migration to a more effective use of e-commerce, Reagecon has established a dedicated knowledge centre, which is accessible through the company's website. This centre contains a vast array of scientific and technical papers, short technical notes, webinars, training materials and sales presentation materials, and has been established to maximise the use of e-commerce. The material is used to train customers, distributors, sales teams and other parties involved or interested in the science of metrology. The material also acts as a driver of business for Reagecon, with product marketing material also included where appropriate. Reagecon has grown dramatically over the last 3 years. We expect this pattern to continue, and ultimately the rate of growth, the agility and innovativeness of our company is due to the alignment between our loyal customers, to which we are indebted, and our excellent, competent and highly motivated team of people. The company is led by a high calibre leadership team, almost all of whom have got global multinational backgrounds. The people that they lead are world-class professional and highly competent, and we are extremely proud of them. We are looking forward, with the help of our team and through our continued goodwill of our customers, to an extremely bright future.